Bugtong tayo. Explain na kung dapat explain. Pinili ko yung kanta na kasi gusto ko eh. Just myself because that is my passion. It can mean my movement on my body with really since when I was first year high school student. Kasi po,
hindi, tutungtong siya dito, tapos tatangin siya.
High school po ako.
Sige. Babasag ng ulo yan.
Bigla ko lang nalaman na may narit pala ako sa pagsasayaw kahit na awkward yung mga ako. At, dapat ba?
Richard, kikindat ka sa camera. Wala sisigaw ah. Walang sisigaw ah. Pigilan niyo damdamin niyo. My God, Papa P. All-Star. Totoo na nabibiro. Man!
Seryoso kasi! Coconut Man, moving heads, and feet. You're ready! Surprise! I want to have to sleep at night. When the sales comes first and the trip comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got your hands on your eyes and your head so high that the air everybody look to the right. Can you feel that night? We're paying them back tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, the world tag. Forget about the price tag. And about that. So change, and about that. But beg, you want in the world tag. Forget about the price tag. Yung explanation naman doon, kaya hinihilig ko. Kasi diba, diba ang problema ng karamihan tao is yung pera, kahirapan. So, pinapakita kasi nung kantang to na hindi na ang totoong kaligayahan ay hindi nabibili lang ng pera, hindi nagiging maligaya lang ang tao dahil sa pera. Thank you. Counter naman.
Next.
Something.
Yes, it is true that money can buy us happiness.
Mag-uno.
But money can buy many things that can make us happy.